कल मेरे एक फ्रेंड का मुझे कॉल आया, हु वाज जूनियर टू मी एंड ही वाज आस्किंग मी कि कैन आई गेट अ रेफरल इन डिलॉयट। तो आई सेड ऑफ कोर्स, व्हिच टेक स्टैक डू यू वांट टू वर्क इन। तो उसने मुझे कहा कि मुझे पाइथन, सीक्वल, एक्सक्यूएल एंड पावर बी आता है एंड मुझे इसी में काम करना है। एंड देन आई शोड हिम वन ओपनिंग जिसमें लिखा था टैबलो एंड सम एनालिटिक्स क्लाउड एक्सेट्रा। तो ही सेड नो, आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल इन दोज पार्ट एंड दोज लैंग्वेजेस, मुझे वो नहीं आता एंड आई एम ओनली ओपन टू वर्किंग इन दीज पर्टिकुलर टेक स्टैक। I got pissed off. Yes, why? We'll tell you the later part. Hi everyone, this is Gauri Guglani. This is the episode 2 of my corporate learnings and आज मैं आपसे डिस्कस करूँगी the other important skill या important learning which I lately learned during my corporate journey of 3 years in Deloitte. Adaptability, which means कि you are very flexible and adaptable of learning new things, new technologies and you are open in learning new things. तो लाइक आई सेड, माई फ्रेंड सेड कि मुझे सिर्फ इन चीज़ों पे काम करना है। तो इससे वाई आई गॉट पिस्ड ऑफ, बिकॉज नाउ यू आर अ फ्रेशर एंड यू शुड बी ओपन इन लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स। यू शुड कीप योर माइंड ओपन कि कोई भी न्यू चीज़ें आए रिलेटेड टू माई फील्ड। सी नाउ टैबलो इज़ नॉट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम the tech stack which he told, right? He mentioned Python, SQL, Power BI, right? Now Power BI is a visualization tool. Tableau is also a visualization tool. So if you know one tool, you can't say कि मुझे एक ही tool पे काम करना है because मुझे वही आता है and I am not open in accepting new languages and new learnings because I am comfortable in these things, which is a wrong attitude. And I felt that I told him कि see, it's similar, it's just that थोड़े से जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना लैंग्वेजेस है अपने कोडिंग लैंग्वेजेस में हमारे पास पाइथन है, जावा है, जावा स्क्रिप्ट है। तो हम ऐसा नहीं करते राइट कि मुझे सिर्फ पाइथन आता है तो आई कैन वर्क इन डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस। इट्स जस्ट दैट सिंटेक्स डिफरेंट होता है बट लॉजिक वाइज सिमिलर होता है, ठीक है। तो इसीलिए जब आप अपनी कॉर्पोरेट जर्नी में एंटर कर रहे हो, आप अपने न्यू जॉब ले रहे हो, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्किल इज़ कि आप adaptable हो. If someone is telling you कि you have to work on this tech stack, you should be open in learning and implementing those things. You can't say कि I cannot work because I know ABC and you are giving me XYZ work. See, I'm not saying completely different work to do. Like suppose if you are from web development field, I'm not saying कि take up data science work. No, but some or the other way, if they are saying you know web development, try taking app development tasks, try making apps. So it's just kind of promotional work, right, which you are doing for yourself. It's good learning, right? So in that sense you need to be adaptable. Sharing my experience, so I am good in Python, I like Python, but when I joined Deloitte I was asked to work in JavaScript also. So I didn't have choice to say no, because if you say no they will say okay, sit on bench, because currently our current project need is the person should know JavaScript, right? तो इसीलिए you need to be adaptable कि जो भी आपके आपकी bucket में आ रहा है you have to take it. If it's completely opposite, like suppose you are working in tech and they are giving some functional work like completely different which is not at all related to your field, then okay, understand, please oppose करो कि I can't work in that field because I am from this field. But टेक स्टैक जो सिमिलर है, जो relates to your own field, you should not say no to that. You should be open in learning new things. Keep your mind open, keep your doors open in new opportunities, right? क्या पता आप जावास्क्रिप्ट में इतने स्मार्ट हो कि you get more and more work related to that in further projects ना. इसीलिए so whenever you're entering the corporate world, be adaptable, be very flexible in accepting new challenges and learning new things and accepting new opportunities. Don't be stubborn and don't sit in your own small shell and circle ki I know these things, I am not going to change and I'm not going to accept any new technology, or I'm not going to work in any other technology except these things which I know. So this same thing I told to my junior also. He understood कि I am fresher, I should be more open and keep my ears and mind open in accepting new challenges and learning new things, instead of just sitting in a corner and saying कि I know these things, I will work only on these things. So I hope आप इस learning को apply करोगे, and when you enter your new job and when you start working on a tech stack, you don't be very stubborn only working with few tech stack. Be open and accept all the challenges and be adaptable. Hope you will learn something from this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.